This is the Minwax Paste Finishing Wax, and as it says here on the front, you apply, dry, and buff, so it's super simple. This is in color natural, so it has no color in it at all. I purchased this because we bought this table, and it's more of like a raw wood, and it's our dining room table, so I needed it to have some sort of protection against, liquids and, rings from our coffee mugs and things like that. So this was absolutely perfect. It did not change the natural wood color of this table whatsoever, which is what I was worried about. Sometimes some of these waxes and stains and things will actually darken the wood, but in this case it did not. So I actually just used a spoon inside of this. It is very, very thick. Like it says, it is a wax, so it's very thick and waxy, like hard candle wax. And then I scooped it into a cheesecloth and I just doubled it over like this, and then it actually will work its way through the cheesecloth onto the table. So it does actually recommend this method on the back of the can, which is why I tried it, and it worked absolutely perfect. That way you're not getting too much product on there. So I just literally buffed it in just like this, let it dry quickly, and then I just went back over with a cloth to make sure everything was rubbed in. It left a little bit of a shine, nothing too shiny, but it really brought out the wood grain in our table. I love the way it looks. I plan to reapply every so often, maybe once or twice a year, just to ensure that the protection stays on the table. But overall, super satisfied with this product. I'm sure there are so many uses for it, so I will definitely keep it on hand in case something else comes up that I can use it for.